Good morning, Unity students. Today is Thursday, March 19th, 2020. Today is a day 3. The weather forecast for today, right now it's 41 degrees out. That is at 8:30 this morning. Today it's going to be 48, but there's a 100% chance of rain. Could be some thunderstorms after 4 o'clock. It's going to be fog in the morning. It's kind of gray outside. And winds, but not that windy. As it says up there, it's a 100% chance of rain today, and the rainfall is going to be between 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch. And that's quite a bit of rain, but that's what we need in the springtime. Tonight, 100% chance of rain again, probably before 2 in the morning, and then maybe snow between 2 and 3, snow after that. But if it's snow, it's going to be less than an inch. We'll hardly even see it in the morning. But there's a 100% chance, and it's going to be windy. And on Friday, tomorrow, there's some chance of snow, probably going to not happen in the morning. It'll become sunny later on. 35 degrees, a little cooler than today, but it still is going to be a bit breezy.
Good morning, Unity students. So, hope everyone is feeling all right. And I'm happy that you are watching this video right now. This means that you either got Mr. Morse's email or you found this video on Shobi. So, it's a little different, but at least you get to see Mr. Morse and I, will each, and Miss Moore as well, will take turns sending you videos in the morning. So today, I basically just want to talk about some of the things that you can do over break and where to find everything. So the number one thing that you should do is make sure that you check your email and check Shobi. We'll be uploading things every day on Shobi for you to do, and just things to make or to continue to grow as a 6th grader. So I'll show Shobi in a second so that way you can see what that looks like. But before I do that, I want to tell you a little bit about what I've been doing. I realized yesterday that I'm going to struggle a little bit with the social distancing. And I think a lot of other people will as well. But I have to keep reminding myself that it is super important that I do stay home and that I limit my contact with people. You all know me. I love to talk. I love to be around people. But at the end of the day, right now, it's super important that we are staying home and protecting ourselves and protecting other people. So today on Shobi, we put a daily question asking about what your routine is during this time that you're home. And I personally think that routine is incredibly important. And I want to, obviously my routine is going to be different than going to school, but I still am making a routine right now of what I'm going to be doing every day. So right now it's 7:40. So this is perfect timing where I'm making this video. And this is technically when we would be, starting the school day. It just looks a little different because my little class, the guy in my class is this guy. So a little different, but he's still a student. So I am planning on still getting up around my same time. Well, not as early, but I plan on getting up between 6 or 7 every day, so that way I'm still getting up and getting up and not sleeping in too late. So I'm still going to get up early. One thing that I'm going to continue to do is work out. Normally I would go at 5:30 in the morning. However, my gym is closed. So I've had to make an alternative gym, which is here at home, which I would be happy to show you. Hold on, I'll show you. Actually, I don't know if I can turn this around, but anyway, right here I have, I don't know if you can see any of this. I can't really tell. I have my yoga mat, I have some weights, my shoes, I have my laptop, and I'm fortunate my gym has been posting workout videos online, so I've been doing those. or like live workouts. So it's not the same as going to the gym, but it's still super important to get exercise. So I've yesterday I kind of set that up over there with my weights, so I'll be able to still work out every day. And then I'm still gonna eat. I was at school. I was eating pretty much the same lunch almost every day, and I'm going to continue to do that here that I'm home. Some different things. So sometimes that I'm doing or some how I'm spending the other time besides working out and eating lunch is I will be doing some schoolwork. I will be looking at Skyward. I'll be looking online, trying to find things that are great for all of you. I will be growing professionally, meaning I will be reading some professional development books about teaching and different things. I'll also be spending time reading my own choice read books. I'm actually really excited about that. So I can also read more during this time, and I actually want to keep a reading log as well. Another thing is during this time, super important that you get outside. I saw a meme, I think just the other day, something about how humans are a lot like house plants, where we need you need to drink your water and you need sunlight. And I was like, yeah, that's super true. Granted, yesterday was a little rainy and gloomy, but I still made a point to go outside. It was kind of drizzly, but I didn't want to do it, but I was like, well, I'm still going to go outside. I'm still going to take Bear for a walk. And we went for a 2-mile walk, and even though it was raining, once I got home, I felt so much better. It was just really nice to get outside, to not feel so cooped up inside. And it was just rain. I wore a rain jacket, and I didn't melt. So, I'm thinking today may also be a little dreary day, but if you can do something outside, that would be really good for your health. What else? This is Bear. Now being home, I kind of have found out I always wondered what does Bear do all day? I think I found out what he does all day. This is what he does. He literally, sits here at the window like this, and he just looks out. He looks outside at the world. But yeah. I'm interrupting his nap time because I think he naps a lot during the day. And now that I'm home, he's like, oh, don't get to nap. Okay, I think that covers almost everything. So your daily question today is about your daily routine. I think the daily routine is incredibly important to keep an appropriate sleep schedule, eating good foods, getting some exercise, doing some schoolwork, such as reading or math or whatever, doing some artwork, doing all kinds of different things. So that's why your daily question is about that. Let me think. We are not expecting you to get any of the work that we were working on. So for example, the Mexico poster, we all were working on that in class, and nobody took that home, so there's no way that you can get that done. So that's a project that as soon as we get back to school, we will continue that. But for now, don't worry about it. The only things that we did in class that you can work on are missing assignments. If you have missing assignments on Skyward, this is the absolute best time for you to do them. You should utilize this time. So anything that you get done, if it's an IXL or some use of your informational writing to do, now would be a great time to do them because we still need to submit quarter 3 grades. So in terms of current assignments, if you have any questions, please email Mr. Morshauser, myself, or any other teachers, and they'll let you know what to do. But if you have no missing assignments on Skyward, you're you're in a really good spot, but this is a great opportunity if you do have missing assignments to get some things done. I'm going to switch views real quick, and I want to show everyone Shobi, and then I'll let you go for the day. So, bye everyone. All right, everyone, here I am again. So I just want to show you what Shobi looks like. So all of you at this point should have added our Shobi class. It's called Unity Digital Connections. If you have not done so yet, you will find the code in various emails. I believe it will be sent in the email today. So I just want to give you a look of what Shobi looks like. I also have my coffee here, per usual. So Shobi, we have set up now in like different folders. We may like change that throughout this time, but for now this is kind of what we have set up. So under the checklist folder, we will have a daily checklist for you every day under the shared items. So this is what today's checklist looked like. It's just some things that you can consider doing while you are home. And as you complete something, just use the tools on Shobi and mark, that you completed something. So I'm going to erase that. But that's really all you have to do for the checklist. What else do we have on here? After the checklist, we have the daily question. So today's daily question, as I mentioned earlier, it's just asking, here's your daily question. Explain your daily routine during the social distancing, such as have your parents made a schedule for you. That's why I spend time explaining what I'm doing every day. I hope a week from now I can ask you like maybe the same question, and even for myself, I'll know what my daily routine is going to look like a little bit more, considering it's only been one day yesterday. So I know my routine is going to be tweaking a little bit as well, but you can just type your response in the comment section here. There's no limit. You can write a couple sentences. You can write us a book. You can give us a time play-by-play, whatever works for you. So that's that. Oh, there's Bear stretching. Oh yeah, buddy, stretch. He's like, what? Okay, moving on. Reading log. This is just a way to keep track of your reading. So I'm going to be doing this as well. This will be by week. So you can see, obviously we only have 2 days technically for the rest of this week. So, you're just writing down the name of your book you're reading, what page did you start on, what page did you end on, and how long did you spend reading. And once again, that one you can also just write on Shobi using your little tools. Then we have our vlog, which basically this is the video log. Mr. Morshausen and I will be uploading the videos to this folder as well. We've already had people like comment on things, which is awesome. So go Elia. Hey Ray. Just a lot of different things. So vlogs. Side note with the vlogs, if you make a video of yourself, like a video vlog, where you're talking about your daily routine, please upload it here. Do not be afraid to do that. We would love, love, love to see your face, so you can do that as well. World connections, there'll just be some resources, science explorations, some more resources. Miss Moore made some things for math skills, so feel free to click there. I don't even know what she has in here yet. Let's see. Ooh, so she has a video. Mr. Morse gave some Excels to practice. And then the cave run multiplication game. Wow, that sounds like fun. So you could definitely work on that as well for math things. And then the last folder we have here is fun stuff. This is just random stuff that we've been putting in, just things that you can do for fun. So like brownie in a mug. There's a YouTube video in there linking like you can make brownies in a coffee mug, and you microwave it for a minute. So if you're hungry, you can do that. There's a how to make slime video. Just Dance. I uploaded our favorite Just Dance video, which is awesome. If you want to videotape yourself doing the Just Dance, even better. So that's what Shobi is going to look like. And like I said, we'll be changing things, but we'll be adding new things every day. Mainly, look at the checklist, look at the daily questions, watch our videos that we send you, check your emails, all those things. Biggest thing right now is just working on, like, if you have missing work on Skyward, do that. If you haven't done so, start thinking about your daily routine. Like, how are you going to, continue doing good things for your mind and body as well. I hope everyone stays healthy and you're taking this social distancing seriously, and that it is hard, but we'll all get through this together. So this is all I have for you. This is Miss Vredenberg going to be signing off here. Give you one last view of Bear. Like, once again, literally all he does is sit here and look out the window. Like, that's all he does, which is fine. Oh, hi. Can you say hi to the kids?
Hi guys.
That's what he just said. All right, everyone. Stay safe out there. We will talk to you soon.
This information had been provided to parents through emails and other forms, but the La Crosse School District is providing free meals for children. Starting today, there will be Go Right Way buses at different locations. These are ones that are listed below. You or someone from your family can pick up these prepackaged paper bags. They have both a lunch and a breakfast in those, and you can pick it up from the bus. Anyone in your family 18 or younger can receive one breakfast meal and one lunch meal daily, and this goes from Monday through Friday. In addition to these pickup sites, there will be drive-up locations, one at Spence and one at Logan High School. That is from 11 till 12 every day. These are the sites where the Go Right Way buses will be. Rivercrest Trailer Park will be from 11 to 11:30 in the morning. Mormon Cooley Trailer Court from 11:45 to 12:15. Pinewood Trailer Court entrance is from 11 to 11:30. Brookwood Mobile Home Park is from 11:45 to noon. The Golden Valley Trailer Court entrance is from noon to 12:15, and Hinchin Elementary School is from 12:30 to 1. Route 3 is the Bluffview Commons Trailer Court entrance from 11 to 11:30. The Pamela Creek Estates entrance from 11:45 to 12:15, and the Kmart parking lot from 12:30 to 1. The Shelby Ballfield parking lot will be from 11 to 11:30. Central High School, their east entrance will be 11:45 to 12:15, and State Road Elementary School will be from 12:30 to 1. Gladys in Huber Court, BGC, will be 11 to 11:30, and the Goodwill on Mormon Cooley Road from 11:45 to 12:15, and that'll be in the back lot. Green Island Ice Arena from 11 to 11:30. Hamilton School from 11:45 to 12:15, and the La Crosse Public Main Branch, Public Library Main Branch, will be from 12:30 to 1. Longfellow Middle School from 11 to 11:30, Hogan Administrative Center from 11:45 to 12:15, and Lincoln's Middle School from 12:30 to 1. The Longfellow Food Pantry has bags of food located outside of Longfellow and just by the rotunda entrance. You can pick those up as needed. Today is the first day of spring. At 12:50 this morning, the sun will be directly over the equator. There's this idea that you can balance eggs at this time or even stand up rooms at this time. You can do that at any time, but the sun is directly overhead. Also, TikTok. 1.5 billion global downloads. Wow. On a serious note, the coronavirus in Wisconsin, there are 2 confirmed cases in La Crosse County of the coronavirus. Not saying that to scare you or to make you nervous, but it does show how important the school closures and social distancing is. Make sure to take care of yourself and those people who are at your home with you.